Good day all. Today I just go through the FM target, the new one. For sure, most of us still not having the free 2D, or they are struggling with the points to get it. Of course, you can do the auto target with the 427 and 318. I'm just trying to thinking out of the box and sharing what I have found according to the strategy guide. The new fleet, what we receive, what we have right now for the FM target, they have the special ability as it have built-in countermeasure system, and that countermeasure system only for rocket, and it will work only if the ships are standing. It's in stop mode, so it's just only standing still on the water. So the idea that I'll having 4 ship, 3 of them are the new ship. I still have not yet finished the building. As you can see, I'm just taking the advantage that it can avoid the rockets. And then I have my counter ship an arc. As you can see, it have the Gale countermeasure and the missile defense system, the MDS-3. This is the build for the countermeasure ship, which I have it before, and then the flagship. As you can see, it's a kill ship that I have. So the target, what I will do right now, I will just try to show you what I have found out and how I do. So let me find a target. So here is one. So the first things, there is some things that you can counter, you can target it away, of course with the arc, not with the new ship. So my arc will take the ship. Don't go too deep, just try to target the first ship from here, because my counter system, which is on the other arc, it will kill all the mortars that coming up. If the 3 ships are firing at the fleets, it's really very hard to stop all of them. So this is the one. There is 2. This is a small one and this is the big one. This is what we are facing right now, that it have a rocket. So what we will do, I will just, once I enter to the firing area, you will see that the circle will glow, as you can see right now. So once it's a glow, I stop my fleets. I will let the countermeasures, as you can see, I will just zoom it in, and you can see the whole rocket that coming from the ship, coming from the turret itself. It will be countermeasure. It will be countermeasure only from the new ship. Let me take it out, so I will just show you only. These are the new ship, and I will just enter to the area. I'll stop my fleet, and you can see they are counting all of them. So the countermeasures for the rockets, the built-in one, it's doing the job perfectly. We need to take care only about the other, which is the UAV, the missiles, as well also the mortars. Again, I need to stop because I need to let the system work. If we are moving, the countermeasure system will not work. I will just go to the edge, outrange. I don't want to go enter to the zone of this one. Even if it's firing at me right now, the countermeasure system will work perfectly and I have no issue about it. I just keep my arc. It's only one killing ship, which is the flag, and that's why it's taking time to kill the turrets over here, but it's doing the job. And for the penetrative one, which is this one, you just need to outrange it, bring the ship as much as you can. Don't go too deep, as you can see on the line with it, and of course, since it's already UAV, my arc will do the job and continue killing the whole parts. So just only outranging. I'm not going to kill that turrets. I'm targeting this turret because this is a countermeasure turrets, and by the end it will kill the other one. The same things over here. I will just only outrange, not this one which is having the zone with killing. It just only will count. It's a turret. It's a penetrative turret, but it's having a short range, which my arc can be able outrange it. Then I can bring my ship over here. I just need to know the limits where are my ship can stand. I will wait for the first wave of the rockets, and then I go inside and I will wait over here. I do want to right now, since my fleet is in the good positions, I just stopped over here and target something else, because when you are entering to the firing zone, the circles, the white circle over here, it will glow, so you know you have been targeted, and therefore I have targeted something else to make sure that when it's glowing that I have wrong positions, and I'll try to correct it. So I just move in a little bit. You can see right now it's glowing. So I change my positions to avoid getting hit. It's just only very tricky to getting the target, so I just, as you can see right now, I can outrange it. You just need to outrange the turrets. Once it's glowing, as we have seen twice, I just run away. It will take 3 seconds or 4 seconds to start firing at you, and if it starts firing at you, it will stop. It will not stop. So you need to take that 3 seconds advantage to know where to stop. Right now, here is the tricky part on these positions. If I keep my arc, then it will not give, if I keep my new ship, the FM new ship, so I will keep the other ships over here, closer, and then I'll take only the first and second ship, which is the arc, and then I will try to move several times to kill this one. I just bring it from here, and you can see right now it will start to fire and will be glowing. I will take some wave. I repeat it until all these ships will be killed. Okay, since they are dead, there are 3 ships. I will just group my fleets, and then I'll enter to the zone area. Once it's glowing, I'll freeze my fleet so the counter system will work, and then I just bring my ship to these positions, and it will kill the whole parts. I can go over here and kill this land. I'm not avoiding this turret, I'm targeting this turret, which is having a short range. It's a penetrative, as I mentioned before. The tricky part only with this one, how to outrange them, and as I mentioned, that try when they are glowing, you are in the wrong positions, correct your positions and go back again, and it will work with you. I'm talking a lot, so the timing is really very hard, but normally in 7 to 8 minutes it will be done. So since it's glowing, I will correct my position again. It's not working perfectly, but I'll try to. At last it worked, but I'm losing the time. I'm just a little bit nervous because I need to finish it early before the time is end. It's just only the simple way that you are finding out the way. I'll just bring my ship over here. When it's glowing again, I'll stop my fleets. Keep moving. Now I can select number 1 and 2, which is the arc. Since it's already dead, I have only this target. You have the other options that to enter and go out, which is I will show you right now. So before the 3 seconds running out, you just run out like this. You just need to take care. This is really a little bit tricky, because sometimes you will be having more than 3 seconds to enter to the target, and you will be getting the hits and to start firing at you, and you don't have enough fleets. The safer one is to outrange it, but it's taking time. But this is the, as you can see, that you can outrange most of it. You will learn from where is the positions and how to stop the fleets. I'm just only showing you the options on time, because it was really almost 15 minutes, but I was explaining the targets. Keep this in your considerations. This is just only a quick way to do the target. It's only 1 minute, and you will be having 1 million points, 1.6. I hope this helped, and thank you again for watching.